LeGaci presents Compound Interest Basics Explained Simply. Today we're learning about compound interest basics. Here's a key number, $100. Compound, 1 year you deposit $100 at 10% interest for 1 year. Compare these values side by side, 0 and 1. The difference tells the story. See how this grows. Start small, reach $200 over time with after 1 year. 20 makes up 672% of the picture. Here's how the rest breaks down. Each item adds up. The total reaches $610. Learn how compound interest makes money grow faster than simple interest. Learn more at LeGaci.app.